You're in Life, Dream Life Weaver, and I'm very pleased to be here with all of you. I'm very happy that you got to hear about our Retire Assure plan. I am also assuring my retirement well, but I've been doing that since I was 12, so it's thanks to my parents. But now I have in life, which makes it all the more stable and secure. And I would just like to thank and acknowledge our executive chairperson, Nina Aguas. Hi again, Nina. How are you? Our president and CEO, Raul Antonio Ilitawa. It's very nice to see you again. And our chief transformation officer, Efren C. Carino Jr. Hello. And our chief agency officer, Stephen L. Ong. Over there, hello sir, good afternoon. Chief Marketing Officer Rosalind L. Martinez. Hello again. And Chief Product and Innovation Officer Jose Eduardo O. An. Hello. Bata pa naman sir. Hello, but I'm so happy you have joined us this afternoon. Let me just do something for all of you. This is not just my national anthem, but also, no, it's not the buffet song. It's not Baludin. It's also not the Hope There's Forever like Sana Walang Wakas. It's the other one. But it also can apply to, I think, what in life can do for all of us. So this is for all of you. This song has been done by other artists, but I recorded this, the original version, again when I was 12. That was just a few years ago. No. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y agad yakapin. Oh, hanggang pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, will never happen. I color my hair. If I didn't, I'd be silver. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong maging secure sa Retire Assure natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. See, because they lasted so long, they're going to last forever. And we can truly depend on in life. I think that having stayed here for so long just is evidence of that. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. gatherings, of course, we should channel first and foremost for our future within life. Thank you so much, everybody.